When you're in your Total Expert account, you have the ability to create what we like to call lead capture apps. On the left side navigation bar, you'll see lead capture apps right here. You'll go ahead and click that. And that's going to take you to your lead capture app library. Now you'll see that I already have one created. And then if you want to create another one, you'll go to the plus create button at the top. And this is going to take you to our lead capture app creator. Now, first things first, you'll notice that there are a few different layouts that you can pick from. You've got an open house and a home valuation form. Now, most likely you'll be leveraging our open house form, and that's what I'm going to demo today. And so first thing that you want to do is you want to create a page name. I'd recommend just using the property address. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and use 12345 Main Street. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And I'm actually going to use that as the page title as well. That would be my best practice. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are on the lead capture app. So you want to make sure that you are selected as the agent. It will likely auto-populate that for you. But then you also want to make sure you've selected your lender as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select my co-marketing partner that I want to leverage with on this specific lead capture app. And then what I can do is I'm going to go ahead and press save. Now you'll see that that lead capture app was automatically created, and I can actually view the page. First thing is I don't have my logos in here because this is a demo account, but your logos will be right here at the top, you and your co-marketing partners. You'll see that it's got that property address at the top, and then it acts as that lead form. So you can go ahead and, for the sake of the demo, I'm going to go ahead and type in demo agent as the name. And then I'm going to go ahead and add an email. And then it's going to say, are you currently working as a real estate professional? I'm going to say no. And then I'm going to go ahead and register here. Now I've gone ahead and registered for this. I can go back into my Total Expert account. I'm going to go ahead and refresh. And you're going to see that I have a total of 1 registrations automatically for that lead capture app. So what I can do after I've had my open house or I've leveraged this lead capture app is I can actually come and it's automatically created this lead source. So I can go ahead and click on that lead source. And I can see that that contact has automatically filtered into my Total Expert account. So then I can go ahead and I can group these contacts. I can go ahead and reach out to them, but automatically you'll see that anyone who fills out that lead capture app will be pushed into your Total Expert account.